Okay, it's Tips with Tom today, and we're going to talk about horizontal and vertical miters.
Remember, it's always a great day in the millwork business.
So, let's start with vertical miters. Vertical miters are typically found around doors and windows, used with casing. So, you would take a straight piece of molding, and you would cut a 45-degree angle, and then a corresponding 45-degree angle for a nice tight fit around your doors and windows. So, the next one is vertical miters, which are typically found in base and chair rail. Once again, you're going to cut a 45, a corresponding 45, and you will end up with a beautiful finished corner just like this one. Thanks, and have a good day.